Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical side. Any Wi-Fi kill switch or FN key can force airplane mode. Toggle it now. Once done, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and view airplane mode to see the current state. Make sure the wireless adapter is enabled in Device Manager. If it's disabled, you must enable it here because Windows won't turn radios on without the driver active. You're taking the first direct actions to restore wireless control and rule out simple hardware blocks. Next, you address software and power causes. Update or roll back the wireless driver in Device Manager. A bad update often flips airplane mode. Once done, restart radio management and WLAN auto config services in Services. MSC so Windows can manage radios again. Also, change the adapter's power management settings, uncheck sleep permissions, and disable selective suspend in power options because aggressive power saving can force radios off. These steps fix the middle layer conflicts between drivers, services, and power policies that keep air. For final recovery, perform a network reset in Settings. This reinstalls adapters and clears network configs, so make sure you have passwords ready. If airplane mode persists, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and verify onboard wireless is enabled or restore defaults to clear firmware locks. Once complete, test connectivity and sign back into networks. If nothing works, use a recent restore point to roll back system changes. This is the key troubleshooting tip when drivers or updates break radio control and all else fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.